This already been opened. Opened it last night to test it out. Verified it with David. Yeah, things are working. So here we go. Ready for this? Here you go, guys. New tag. This is the new Phantom 4. I'm not sure if it's the version 2 or what, but this is the casing I had. The digital camera was on the drum before, and then now I think they replaced everything. I had a scratch on one of the motors here and I couldn't find it last night, so it looks like a all brand new drone. I don't see the scratches at all. And I tell you, this is a fantastic drone. Phantom 4. Can't wait till the Phantom 5 starts coming out. Superb. There's the SD card in there, not working. There's just the sensors down below. The two black little ones are eyes on the drone that faces down. These are not the Phantom 4 Plus because it doesn't have the sensors on the back end. Only have two sensors in the front. So there you go, guys. There's that tag on here. Danger. Da 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 da. And they wrap the wheels too, so they wrap it with that elastic wrap thing. Put that guard on. And I had a scratch on this piece before. And that's why I suspect there's a whole new drone in here. Because when I hooked it up last night, I had to register the drone and totally different asset tags in there. Not going to show you that, but the serial number and all doesn't match with the previous one. So for 150 bucks, why not, right? The original troubleshooting with this is that the SD card was not recording when you press on the app. So malfunction on the device right there. Something didn't configure properly. It couldn't wipe the whole internal memory off. So there you go, guys. This is going back to David. The flying trucker. This is the drone right here. Brand new. They bound it with this remote control. Alright guys, that's it. Take care.